Good morning, McCutcheon Mavericks. Welcome to the Pep Session. My name's Hunter Royer.
And my name is Brad Gagnon.
Let's kick off this Pep Session with the cheerleaders.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get loud. Tell our colors we're red and gold. Red and gold. Let's get loud. Who are we? We're N-H-S. N-H-S. Red and gold.
Go Mavs!
Hey, let's save that for the cheerleaders later. Let's not sleep on the best pep band in the land.
I'm Andrew. I'm a member of the pep band. The pep band plays at a majority of the home games, and we play music, we do cheers, we just trying to brighten the mood of the games. This year's been a lot of fun. We have a lot of new freshmen who have caught on really well and quickly, and the games that we have played have been a lot of fun. In order to be in the pep band, you need to be in the band program, and you will just sign up around October, and then the games start happening around late December and then into early next semester.
Hi, I'm Abby and I'm a member of the McCutcheon Winter Guard. We've only had one competition this year, but we did get silver and we're looking forward to getting gold, hopefully on Saturday. We've been practicing since November, so it's been a lot of practice and all the girls have worked really hard.
My name's Shreya. I've been on varsity for 3 years and I'm one of the co-captains of this year's team.
My name's Hunter and I've also been on varsity for 3 years and I'm also one of the co-captains for this year's team.
My name is Bella. I've been on varsity for 2 years and I'm not
This year we've had a really good season. Football was super fun and I really enjoyed working with all the girls.
And basketball season has really been fun as well. Last night we actually did win by less than a point. It's been a lot of really exciting games we've enjoyed, and it's been a really fun time. I think the girls have really gotten into it. We're just trying to bring some school spirit back to the school, so it's been a lot of fun.
Just becoming a team and working with each other has just been a great bonding experience and a great experience for the future as well.
Go Mavs!
Hi, I'm Miley. I'm one of the seniors on the dance team. I'm Caroline. I'm also a senior on the dance team. So far this season, we've actually been very successful at our competitions. We've been placing very well against some of the top teams in the state. In the next 2 weeks, we're moving on to regionals, and then we're hoping to advance to state and then end on a high note for the season.
We've also hosted 2 competitions these past few weekends, and it's been nice to stay home and compete.
Yeah, my best friend, she a real got her own money. She don't need on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend, she a real drive her own car. She don't need no lift. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she throw it out and come back in. Beep beep, is that my bestie in a tessie? Fresh blowout, skin on 10, ooh she ready. Look good with a T at the end. I'ma hit her every time.
The quarterback drops back and lets the ball go. Oh wait, we gotta get back to the pep session.
Oh, you're right, yeah. Now for the academic teams.
I'm Evan Dravalis. I've been on the team for 4 years and I'm a senior.
Hi, I'm Kaya. This is my 3rd year on the team and I'm a junior.
First weekend of January we get a little video of a game that we need to design a robot for, and so from then on for the next 8 weeks We're sitting there planning, designing, manufacturing, everything that comes with building a brand new robot for our first competition that's usually on that like 8th week.
Yeah, our competitions, we have 2 district competitions. Those are both in March, and then our next competition is state. So theoretically, we are guaranteed 3. If we make it to Worlds, that would be near the end of April. That would be our 4th competition. That would be absolutely amazing.
It's a fun time. You get a lot of experience. If you're going into anything technical, like even not even technical, we also have a media side that I feel like a lot of people don't hear about.
I'm Bowen.
Hi, I'm Wendy Guerrero.
And I'm Riley Fritchley, and we are the speech team captains. Woo! We're really looking forward to sectionals coming up. Yeah, we've been doing great so far, and we are super excited.
And we're super excited for next year for more people to join us.
Yes, and
join speech.
We will all be here for you.
My name's Izzy Beeler. And I'm Stephanie Garcia. We're in the academic Super Bowl team. What are you on? I'm on the English team. And I'm on the English and the history team. Wow. Go Mavs. That's impressive. It's basically a combination of every other academic team because you've got a bunch of different subjects, like mini teams within the McCutcheon team, and we all work together. This year's theme is Canada, our beloved neighbor. Go Mavs!
Hey, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Tim, and we're the team captains of the Quiz Bowl team. Recently we were at a tournament and we went 6-2, and that placed us at 3rd place.
That qualified us for state, so we'll be representing the school on March 5th at Purdue. See ya.
Go Mavs.
Go Mavs.
Go Mavs.
Hey Brad, why'd the teacher jump in the pool?
I don't know. Why?
She wanted to test the water?
Terrible joke, but now on to the girls and boys swimming team and also the bowling team.
Hey Mavs! This season was great for all of our Lady Mavs, and we ended up swimming at sectionals greater than we expected. It was a great season for all of us.
We had some podium finishes this year. We're a small but mighty group, and we'd love to see some new faces out next season.
Yep. See you guys.
I'm Owen McCutcheon. I'm the swim captain.
I'm Brian Corrales. I'm also the dive captain.
Yeah, we had a really good season. All of our relays made it to finals. We had a lot of new freshmen who are doing really good this year.
We also had a good year. Our diver Kevin made it to regionals this year, so that's awesome.
Hi, my name is Javen Dick.
Daisy Wilson.
Me and Daisy both got Bowler of the Year awards. I went to state and won. I took the title and I am officially the state champion of bowling.
Very proud of you. I am a sectional champion, but I didn't make it past regionals. So that's probably the best I got. It's farthest I've ever got. So fun memory I have is legit just anytime Evan falls over, because almost every time he falls over, he'll get a strike. And it's really, really impressive.
A fond memory of mine is going to Arnie's after we go to Market Square. After every game, we usually plan on going to Arnie's and getting pizza. Although it's usually chaotic because usually you don't want a bunch of guys who are almost young adults at Arnie's, left alone with no parents.
Oh, sorry, we're just rocking out. But let's now flip over to gymnastics and musical.
Hi, I'm Mariana French.
And I'm Emma Spear.
And we are the McCutcheon Gymnastics team. And so far, our season has been pretty good. We're on our bye week right now. And our next meet is just a regular meet, and then we have NCC and sectionals. And our season has been going good so far. We technically are not scored as a team because you need 3 to be a team, but we are scored as individuals. And we're doing pretty good. And honestly, it's been pretty fun. We practice like with the Harrison girls, and we usually go to all the meets that they go to. And yeah, the season has just been pretty fun, and yeah.
my name is Joslyn Bishop, and I'm a junior, and I'm playing Mary Poppins in the spring musical, which is March 11th through 13th, and ticket sales just went on sale on Friday, so you should totally come out and support the performing arts. We've been working really hard on the show for the past few months, and the casting crew is practically perfect, if I may say so myself. And yeah, we have some pretty cool dance numbers and some really fun songs, so yeah, you should come support.
Hi, I'm Knox. I'm a sophomore and I'm playing Mr. Banks in Mary Poppins this year. You should really come out and see the show. Everyone's putting in a lot of work and doing a really good job. I think it'll be a great show that you'll all enjoy.
Nailed it.
Now time for the boys, girls, and unified basketball teams, ladies and gents.
Hi, my name is David Tyler Martin.
My name is Cameron. My favorite part was shooting the hoops and stuff.
And my favorite part was making a basket.
Run, and I made a score.
Oh yeah, and shooting hoops.
Who are your friends on the team?
Abigail, Sager, and Riley. Five basketball is fun.
Hi, I'm Teresa Maggio and I'm a point guard.
And I'm Erin Farrell and I'm a shooting guard. This year we were 14 and 10.
We had a lot of injuries going into the season, so 4 of our players were coming in, 3 with ACLs and 1 with a broken collarbone, so we didn't know how that was gonna go. Mine would probably be either senior night, because that was a lot of fun, and I also really enjoyed my first game coming back, since I came back in the middle of the season. We like to mess around before practice sometimes.
Yeah,
so.
have dance parties in the gym.
Yeah. I'd say good things from this year is we played close with a lot of ranked teams. So like halfway through the year, things started to click with us. So we took one team into double overtime. That was a lot ranked higher than us. So honestly, those were really good things for us to see.
I feel like our team was really close this year since we had a lot of varsity returners, so that was fun.
I would just say the team's probably gonna be a little younger next year. So I would say a lot of it is just take it one step at a time and don't get too caught up in the moment and just enjoy it.
Yeah, the coaching staff is wonderful for the basketball team. They're like our dads, so. We want to thank the cheerleaders and pep band
and also the students and faculty that came to our games and supported us this season. Go Mavs!
All right, my name is Eli Swank.
I'm Landon Waltz.
We're the captains of the McCutcheon boys basketball team. We're having an alright season, I guess. We're 6 and 13 right now. Our season's about to wrap up. We have sectionals next week, 2 more regular season games, and then yeah, we're pretty much done. So
yep.
Yeah, Jeff, first round of sectional, so hopefully we can get him this time. Go Mavs.
Thank you for watching the Pep Session, Mavs. We'll see you next time.
And go Mavs!
That was good.